Welcome. In this short tutorial, I'll be showing you how to delete your TikTok account. All right. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. So first up, in here in the TikTok app, just go to the bottom right and tap on your profile. Now go to the top right and tap on the three horizontal lines. In here, just tap on settings and privacy and wait for it to load. Now once it loads, tap on account. Okay. Wait for it, and once done, we have the option deactivate or delete account. Just tap on it, and here you will have two options, okay? Deactivate or delete. So when you deactivate, as you can see here, no one can see your account, including all content that is stored in it. You can just easily reactivate your account and recover all content anytime by just logging in. But if you're really sure that you want to delete your account permanently, your account and content will be deleted permanently, it says here. You may cancel the deletion request by reactivating by just simply logging in to your account within 30 days. Okay? So make sure that within 30 days, you don't log into your deleted account. Okay? Because if you log in, the process will revert back to 30 days again. Okay? Just tap on delete right here and you'll be logged out. And after that, you're good to go. And that is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.